Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a general ledger and trial balance. First, let's understand the fundamental purpose of these essential accounting tools. A general ledger provides a complete record of all financial transactions, while a trial balance summarizes these accounts to ensure debits equal credits. We'll walk through each step, making this process clear and manageable for you. Get ready to master these core accounting concepts with ease. To begin, you'll post transactions from your journals into the general ledger. Think of the general ledger as a collection of individual T accounts, one for each asset, liability, equity, revenue, and expense account. For every transaction, you'll identify the accounts affected and whether they are debited or credited. Remember, debits go on the left and credits go on the right, ensuring every entry is balanced. Once all transactions are posted to the general ledger, the next step is to prepare the trial balance. This involves extracting the ending balance from each general ledger account. You'll then list these accounts, placing their balances in either a debit or credit column. For example, cash and accounts receivable typically have debit balances, while accounts payable and revenue usually have credit balances. This summary is crucial. The final step is to ensure your trial balance is in balance. This means the sum of all debit balances must exactly equal the sum of all credit balances. If they don't match, it indicates an error. Common issues include transposing numbers, posting an amount to the wrong side, or simple addition mistakes. Carefully retrace your steps, starting with the ledger balances, to pinpoint and correct any discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.